go.
Who's coming?
Bubba is.
Oh.
He wakes up all the whole time.
Did you wake up, John Henry?
Look.
Good morning, brother.
Come on, see the camera.
What do you think, buddy? Yours is over here. What'd you get?
Candy. It's an Easter bunny candy.
There's a bug catcher.
Easter, he loved all those candies.
The Easter bunny
I'm
candy.
going to tell Nana we got all these candies. Thanks, Mommy.
You're gonna tell Nana you got all these candies?
Wow. Wow.
Did you get a shirt?
You like your cup?
And some new flip-flops?
You want me to wash it and you can have your milk in it this morning?
Yeah, this is.
Glasses.
It's Bubbles, honey.
Bubbles.
Yeah, we'll play with that outside. And look, you got sidewalk chalk.
Hey, look at this.
You want me to rinse it out and I can make your chocolate milk in it this morning?
Want Mommy to rinse it out for you?
What's on that? Is it an elephant on there?
Baby. Baby got. Baby.
Look at that, buddy. What is that? Oh, baby.
I see a dinosaur shirt too. What's that? What is that?
Popsicle. Bunny.
You want to give an Easter bunny a hug? Aww.
Baby, come
Look, John Henry. You got a dinosaur shirt.
Bye.